try.
This is
Let's
early.
go. Normally you should go early, but I think you punched too hard.
Too hard. Yeah, I mean, this
Yeah, I
also.
already got a notification about that this is gone off, and now I'm getting a call.
Maris, let's dig in this story, Vauxhall Combo,
Yep.
which we have added some security elements.
Security elements, yeah.
So first of all, I want to touch base on two standard features on the security. The one on the sider, which seems to be very interesting. The fact, the one that has been added by the factory.
Yeah, that's a
really
factory one.
Yeah.
Yeah, is it?
So look,
Okay,
before
the alarm is armed.
Yeah. Okay. Let's. So from the factory, now this door comes with 3 points
Of locking.
of securing the door in place, making it harder to be
Unlocked.
peeled.
This is for peeling. This is to pull it away, basically.
Yeah.
So this one holds it.
So we also have in here.
That's another one for peeling.
And then on top, it has the hook lock.
The hook lock, which is installed.
So
that's an aftermarket.
Aftermarket, yes. So
yeah.
For the length of the door, it has quite a few different.
Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5.
Oh my God.
And then 6 with this one, which is added.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's that. So this door is pretty secure. I think try to bypass this door is going to be a massive work.
Plus, it has an alarm now.
It has an alarm.
It's armed.
So this is the
armed
bit
at the moment now.
that we've said so many videos. Locks with alarms.
Yeah.
Locks and alarms. Locks and alarm together.
Exactly.
They work. So
it works perfect. So you cannot go wrong with the locks.
So obviously the alarm with notification.
Yeah. This is, as you can see now, is armed.
Is it armed already?
It's armed. It says arms.
Okay.
Armed on the app. Maybe it might be, but let's try.
Okay, so the
this
car
is
also
armed now.
locked.
Yeah.
So we try to replicate a shock. I mean, it works pretty instant. The status on the car.
Yeah.
So
it's depending on your reception as well. But
yeah, of course. So try to replicate a shock in the chassis as someone would tamper with the lock.
Exactly. Let's try.
This is
Let's
early.
go. Normally you should go early, but I think you punched too hard.
Too hard. Yeah, I mean, this
yeah, I already got a notification about that this is gone off, and now I'm getting a call. I would like everyone to hear this.
Let's see.
Let's see. So this is what it says.
The car's position is arm alarm system. Central lock closed. Engine stopped. Shock sensor activated. Dial 0.
So it gives you quite a lot of information.
So it gives you information from a call. Like
what
the vehicle is still locked. They haven't got inside the vehicle. The engine is off, but the shock sensor is been triggered. Yes.
I think it's very clever the way it works. No?
So this is still armed at the moment. We can disarm it. So George will disarm it now.
And what I also want to touch base the fact that also is immobilized.
Yes, the vehicle doesn't start now, first of all.
And then the way we configured those remote, one of those has to be pressed
in order to disarm the alarm and the immobilizer. Yes.
Yeah.
So George will.
Let's see how quick it works. So 3 beeps means disarm.
And now we're gonna get few. Yeah. So okay, you see the shield is gone. It still says arm. This is gonna go in disarm soon.
So
now it's disarmed.
3 seconds.
Like 3 seconds.
Yeah.
It tells you the time when it was disarmed, and obviously like this, you get all the features: battery voltage, how many degrees is inside the vehicle, GPS, how much petrol you have, and what's the mileage on the vehicle as well. And then it shows you how long the vehicle's been running, but now it's off. So
a lot of stats. So we're talking with,
of course, the tracker.
Yeah.
Don't forget about the tracker.
Yeah, all in one. And if it's a fleet, several devices can be added on the same portal.
Into the same portal, you can have, I don't know, 20 vehicles if you like. We have customer with 49 vehicles. So
we're talking about with the customer early on, and he was saying what the difference. And then they used to have a fleet of vehicles, and they didn't have any.
Yeah.
And they had lots of break-ins, and one of them was even stolen and never found. So he said the new vehicles that is bringing on.
You would like to get all of them with locks and alarms.
Locks and alarm. this is, and we can easily see why.
Exactly. So we don't do anything. We just try to demonstrate, and the alarm goes off.
Yeah.
The vehicle will not start. We can arm it back now. Like
Okay, yeah.
this one also gets armed by you double lock the vehicle, which double lock means.
Yeah, double lock also another important aspect. Let's touch base on that because it's also important.
Double lock,
as we said in a previous video. So the double lock feature.
the window down.
So pressing the lock button only once is gonna lock the vehicle. However, it's not in the deadlock state. Deadlock meaning being unable to open the door from inside.
Yeah.
Which we can.
Yeah.
Pressing twice the lock button, you can hear on the second press another locking mechanism clicking in to leave you unable to open. And the deadlock makes the door lock more secure. It's a different mechanism that engage.
Yeah.
Makes it more difficult to bypass.
Yeah.
To be honest, I don't understand why they haven't put this feature from first lock and whether we can configure that. Because it makes so much sense. Why would you do it?
But they are vehicle, they have that.
Yeah, they are vehicle.
Some of them, they have to double lock it. The thing is, like, they say, you know, when you get a new car, you get a manual with it. Yeah. Anyone who buys a new car and he doesn't know more about it, you should read that manual first. Not many people does it, but if you read the manual, I'm sure they will give you this information.
I get it, but on the cars, most of the cars are going in deadlock straight away. Why would you put a van that you have to press because the people won't realize to have it properly secure, it should be going deadlock from first press. Anyway, this is separate. This is another technical
another subject we have to talk about, yeah.
But this is the deadlock. This is how secure the door comes from the factory.
Yeah.
Obviously, with added locks.
Yeah.
With added alarm, this car is
we can try that. We can lock the vehicle now.
So let's lock it. See how the immobiliser.
We'll secure. Yep. So a few seconds later, is armed now.
Yeah.
So George will try to
start the vehicle. Obviously, if we try to open the door, first of all, the alarm
goes off straight away, obviously.
But the vehicle.
And now the alarm is. Vehicle doesn't start, and I get all this on the app. And plus, I have like, look how many calls and notifications I have from the StarLine.
Yeah, because we played a lot with it.
Because we played a lot with it, so we get all the notification. I get called by them, by the alarm. So basically, the alarm installed in the vehicle, the AI from the alarm is calling me and telling me what's happening or what's the status of the vehicle.
This
is the future.
The real value that I see in this alarm. The fact that it gets triggered by a shock.
Yeah.
And the fact that it notifies you.
It notifies you by message, by notifications on your phone, and it calls you. Like if you don't answer, you get a call straight away. Yeah. Now again, it tells me. Now you'll have to
So three
times, yeah. The door was open, probably. Unlock it from this.
No, it should be. Okay, now it's in.
Yeah.
And the fact that it works off a separate remote, so if you are to clone the key, won't able. If you don't have the separate remote, you won't be able to operate the.
Yeah. I'm just looking at the notifications. The ignition is on. Engine is running, and then it gives you it has a slight delay, but this is not from the alarm. It's from your reception or
data,
whatever it comes in.
The package definitely.
It's worth it.
It's worth it. I mean, the customer was telling us why there's
all our customers which they went for an alarm system. They actually know why they want it. Absolutely. And then after they get it installed, they start seeing the real value of it.
Yeah.
Like when someone tried to get.
Without a doubt.
Yeah. We had customers coming back and say, man, they tried to break in, but I was there.
Yeah. You know, it was a nice story that I really want to touch base. A few days ago, I was talking with a customer which had his van crashed into.
Yeah.
And
I think we talk about that.
Yeah, we talk about it, but it's good to mention it's been crashed too, and then he received a notification. Obviously, shock sensor has been triggered,
Yeah.
and he ran to the van, and it could be high chance that the person would have drove off.
Probably they wanted to drive off, but he got there in time, so
exactly. Which he wouldn't if he wouldn't have received the notification.
Probably if someone doesn't want the hit and run, they can do that. They hit your door. It happens a lot.
Again,
another good thing about having this
alarm
system on your vehicle.
Yeah. Smart alarm, definitely with the van security locks, the package to have for a van.
Yeah.
To know it more secure.
Yep.
Do you like what you see? There's more to it. Come here.
Subscribe. Follow us for more videos about vehicle security.
Keep close.
Car keys.